So the question is the probability of getting an even number when a dice is thrown once. Means the die is thrown once. Okay, then we have to find the probability of getting an even number, and the options are 1 upon 3, 5 upon 6, 1 upon 2, 6 upon 5. Okay, so we know that dice has 6 faces. Okay, 6, and like one face is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6. Okay, this is 5, and there are 3 even numbers, 2, 4, and 6. If die is thrown once, then it is possible that 2 may become, 4 may become, or 6 may become. Okay, and we know that the formula for the probability to find the probability, the favorable outcomes. That is a simple formula in probability: favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes. So how many favorable outcomes means here is favorable outcome means even number. We have to find the even number, na? So even number are 2, 4, and 6. How many favorable outcomes here? 3. Possible means in dice there possible is 6, because it is dice, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6 can come, na? That's why the possible are 6. 1 can also come. That's why answer will be 1 by 2. Let's see the answer. Yeah. When a die is thrown once, the sample space is given by as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sample space means possible outcomes. Okay. कितने हो सकते हैं? Then the event of E getting an even number given by 2, 4, 6. Okay, I have told you. And the probability of getting even number, this is the formula I have told you, that number of favorable outcomes upon number of possible outcomes. Favorable outcomes, okay, 3 I have told you, and 6, and the answer is 1 by 2. So the correct option is A. Okay.